Hi, Sai!
In our previous episode, we introduced you to Yonabaru, a beautiful town in Okinawa, and to the history and preparations of the Yonabaru Ozuna Hiki Matsuri, also called the Tug of War Festival. Today, let's enjoy together the main part of the festival, a meticulously choreographed event that unfolds in several captivating steps, where the two ropes parade through the city before joining. The parade and dances that precede the main attraction of the festival are vibrant and integral components of this cultural celebration. The people wearing traditional and historical costumes, also called shitaku, are present to add depth and authenticity to the event. They serve as living embodiments of Okinawan culture and history. These festivities set the stage for the main event, infusing the atmosphere with energy, tradition, and a sense of unity among the participants and spectators. Elaborate floats depicting local legends and historical events are part of the parade, adding to the visual spectacle. These dances are performed by local dance troupes, often composed of both young and old members, showcasing the multi-generational and inclusive nature of the festival. And then, the moment everyone has been waiting for, the grand tug of war itself.
再開です。制限はありません。なので、初っ端の一発、絶対勝ちに行きましょう。ここにいるメンバーは負けるために来てるわけではありません。そうだ。勝ちに行くために来てます。なので、絶対に今日は勝ちたいと思います。いいですか？
The entire town converges at the appointed site, ready to witness this epic battle of strength.
ドラが鳴り響きました。そして装具の音が響きました。さあ、絶対に引かないでください。前に前に進みます。支度を乗せたまま東西の大綱が一つになる瞬間でございます。今回の1回目の支度のテーマは琉球国王と聞こえ大君。聞こえ大君とは琉球王国最高位の力者である国王のおなり神に位置づけられ、国王と王国全土を量的に守護するものと言えています。まもなくこの
When the two ropes join in the final moments, it carries significant symbolism related to fertility and good harvests. This symbolism is deeply rooted in the agricultural traditions and beliefs of the Okinawan culture. Fertility is not only about crops, but also about the continuation of life. In this context, joining the ropes may symbolize the celebration of life itself, with the hope that the community will thrive, grow, and prosper in all aspects, including family life and cultural heritage.
花地棒が入ります。もう少し上がり前へ進んでください。 そして少し上げてください。少し上げてください。上がり少し前へ進みながら、そして今金地棒が入ります。今金地棒が入りました。
And now, as the signal is given, the teams engage in a titanic struggle, pulling with all their might.
になった瞬間、じっくりご覧ください。そして参加ください。ただいま1分が経過をしました。
The energy is palpable as competitors strain against each other, their faces etched with determination.
まだまだ勝負がつきません。どうぞ会場の皆様、我が方へと一気に引いていただきたいと思います。ただいま1分半が経過をいたしました。まだまだ勝負はつきません。東西に分かれた戦いはまだ決着がつきません。どうぞ綱係の号令に従い、我が方へと一気に引いていただきたいと思います。
The battle rages on, a test of not only physical strength, but also of the unbreakable spirit of the unity that binds the people of Yonabaru.
一気に少しずつ上がりへ動いたか、上がりへ動いた。上がりが勝ちました。
And finally, when one team emerges victorious, the eruption of joy and celebration is a sight to behold. The triumphant team revels in their achievement, and the entire community joins in the jubilation. It's a moment that transcends competition, a moment of unity where the Yonabaru Tug of War Festival achieves its ultimate purpose. Maybe someday you may take part in it too. Until then, see you Shisai!